Then we have the Amazon EventBridge. Now, the Amazon EventBridge is a serverless event bridge service which simplifies the connecting applications using data. So, if we are using the event sourcing, we can also use the Amazon EventBridge. So, Amazon EventBridge is basically a serverless event bus service that makes it easier to connect the applications using data, like from our own application, and integrated it to other AWS services. So the data sources can be our application, any SaaS application, or the AWS services from which we will be integrating. Other than this, we have the benefits like it facilitates the event driven architecture with minimal custom code. So it automatically responds to the changes in our application and work like the event driven architecture. So the use cases can be here the microservices communication if they have the event driven architecture. So the event driven architecture applications itself and the SaaS integration. So it would be integrating with multiple data sources. Now, event bridge have different components like the event bus. So event bus is a centralized component that would be receiving the events from various sources, and that would be routing them to different targets based on rule we define. Then we have the decoupling of event producers from the consumers. So event bus would be facilitating with that as well. And the event bus types are the default, the custom, and the partner event bus. So the default event bus receives the events from some AWS services or any custom applications, and it would be created automatically with our account of AWS. And then we can create a custom event bus. So we will be creating a custom event bus to separate and organize events from different applications or sources. So if we have some other sources from where the events would be generated, then we can create a separate event bus for them in order to manage them. And then we can have the partner event buses. These partner event buses are created when we are integrating with SaaS partner applications. So these buses would receive events directly from the external partners or SaaS partners. Other than this, we have the key components like the rules. Rules are basically defined how to process the events by specifying the event patterns to match. So the targets have to match the event patterns in order to get the event. Other than this, the targets are the components. So the targets are the destinations basically where the events are being sent. So the targets can be any AWS service. For example, if the Amazon Event Bridge is sending messages to any other AWS service, then that would be the targets.